Alright, y'all already know what it is. We about to put a wig on, y'all. So right now, y'all, I am creating my ball cap method, y'all, which I have not done in a long time. And to be honest with y'all, I don't really like doing the ball cap method, but I'm like, you know what, we gonna go back in and we gonna go old school and we gonna do the ball cap method. And I must say, I think I am really phasing out of doing the ball cap method. I prefer not to do the ball cap method. Even when I did the ball cap method with this wig, y'all, I ain't really like it too much. I feel like with the ball cap method, my wig does not stay down as long. And it's just a whole lot of stuff that I'm not feeling with the ball cap method. But yeah, y'all, so we pretty much finished putting on the ball cap method. And we about to get ready to fit our wig, you know, cut the ear tabs to make sure that the wig is fitting properly. As y'all can see, I customized this wig to a T, and that's that. And y'all, we getting ready to use, of course, the mean grip. I think that's in caramel. Yeah, so we putting that all over it, which was not a good idea because as y'all see, it's kind of orange. But guess what, I made it work. That's okay. So y'all, we're gonna finish putting this wig on and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I know it's the beginning of the video, but y'all already know, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come in a new video, you guys will be notified. Alright, y'all, as I stated, we getting ready to cut out the ear tabs to fit the wig. Okay, y'all, so y'all already know we going in with that mean grip. Don't play with it. Y'all don't already have it, go get it. So yeah, y'all, we put about 3 layers on, you know, the hairline. And as usual, y'all, I have about multiple videos on how I apply my mean grip. So I went into sections, guys. I applied a little bit onto the hairline. I completely spread it out the glue. You have to spread it out, and when I say spread it out, I mean no lumps, no bumps, no nothing. And another thing, y'all gotta stop putting so much glue on your hairline. Y'all be putting too much glue, and that's why it takes forever to dry. So definitely do not put all that glue on the hairline. And if you do accidentally put too much on there, try to spread it out evenly throughout the hairline so that the glue can dry. Again, I don't care who glue you using. If you don't put it on properly, it won't work properly. And that's just that. So make sure you spread the glue out evenly. So y'all, once we got the glue on, we about to put the wig over top of the glue and press the lace into the glue. And all this does is allow the lace to melt into the glue. And of course, we're going to do our melt down part where we put our band on, let it sit for a minute and let it melt down. But yeah, y'all, just continue to watch while we install this wig. Okay guys, so now that we did our meltdown, we had the band on for maybe 10-20 minutes. We about to get ready to cut the excess lace off the wig. Now y'all, I do use the razor method where I just kind of use the razor to cut off any excess lace. And with the razor guys, it just pretty much cut really closely to where you put your glue at, so you won't have any type of extra lace, and then it kind of cuts it unevenly to make it look more natural to your hairline. So yeah, so right now we're cutting off the lace, so continue to watch and we're going to continue to install this wig. Okay, so now that we're done cutting the lace, we're going to go in with the Mean Grip Melt Spray. If you don't have it, definitely go get it. Everything is on my website at justbrys.com. And all we doing is, y'all, we spraying the lace spray on my finger and we're gently tapping it onto the lace. And all this is going to do, guys, is make that lace on your hairline more seamless, meaning you ain't gonna see it no more. Okay, so once we put our band on, and as y'all can see, I'm kind of drying it a little bit before putting the band on, because this helps when it stops the band from sticking when you put the band on. So as you can see, y'all, it's starting to look melt already. So right now we about to go in with the Mean Grip lace tint mousse. If y'all don't know, I don't know where y'all been at. So I'm using Sweet Karma onto the lace. I only put a little bit on my brush and dabbed it onto the hairline. Once we do that, we're going to go back in again with the melt spray, and we're going to put the band on and we're going to let it do its meltdown thing. Y'all pay attention now. I'm telling you, this is key. This is a lot of information I'm giving y'all. As I stated, we went back in with the melt spray, dabbed it onto the hairline to get that melt down again. And as y'all can see, the lace is becoming seamless. You can't see it. So here we go. We about to take that band off again. And this is the part that I was telling you I was trying to avoid. Not that band from sticking, but it didn't stick that much. So here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Where's the lace, y'all? Tell me where the lace at. Okay, you don't see no lace. So y'all, we about to finish this bad boy up, and before you know it, we're gonna be done. We're gonna go in and kind of style a little bit. I did leave this wig without any baby hairs, y'all, because again, the lace was so seamless you didn't see it. So yeah, so I left it without baby hairs. But yeah, let's finish this up. As I stated, we're styling, but I am pretty much finished this wig, y'all. I forgot to record like a finished look. So here is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section what y'all thought. And I appreciate y'all watching my video. I'll see you in my next video.